Hello everyone, I hope you're all well and having a fabulous day. I'm Avtaars Flora and very warm welcome to you all. I've had few requests, so today my recipe is going to be about Sambharo. It is a Gujarati word because the dish comes from the state of Gujarat in India. Stir-fried carrots and cabbage with a bit of spices to give you that totally aromatic, flavorful taste. Gets done very quickly. Lovely way to incorporate the vegetables into the diet. Usually, Gujarati meal, from what I know, consists of a Sambharo as the side dish. And then on the other hand, it is also used for side to go with the afternoon tea, with the sweet jalebis and faafda. So you have the mixture of both sweet and savory. If you haven't already done, please do subscribe to Avtaars World. Do like, share and send us your comments as well. The recipe itself or the making of the Sambharo itself is very quick, and I shall go through the ingredients as I go along. Starting with a little bit of oil in a wok or in a kadai or a frying pan, and to this add the whole black mustard seeds. Now as soon as I throw these in, because the oil is quite hot, it's going to start spluttering. You have the lid ready and turn the heat up, and in goes immediately the sticks of carrots, as minimum water as possible. If you cook the mustard seeds for far too much, then it releases that bitter oil taste into your dish. That instant, straight away, you got to be ready with your next stuff that goes in is very important here. Let these get cooked, but at the same time they're not fully cooked, as I want a bit of that crunch. Prepare the chilies in the meantime. Depending on your personal taste, you can adjust the quantity of the chilies. I've used 3 carrots, so my simple calculation is 3 chilies. Split them. Okay. In goes the chilies to give us that taste into the carrots. Cover it for 1 minute. So what I tend to do is add tiny little bit of drop of oil there and add the optional curry leaves, and as soon as they go and touch the oil, they're going to start spluttering and getting fried, and the aromas will get released into the carrots and the chilies. I have ground the coriander seeds, and that is releasing all those lovely flavors, so that gets added. Add the seasoning as per your taste. Oops. So when I cut into the carrot stick, easily I can cut into it. That means carrots are done. Tiny drop of oil again to add turmeric so that it gets fried, and immediately into the turmeric throw in the shredded white cabbage so that it absorbs all that yellow color from the turmeric. Intentionally I didn't put it at the beginning because I did not want the carrots to absorb that yellow color. I want the cabbage to have that lovely yellowy color onto it. As you can tell, the reason I have done this in separate stages is because cabbage gets cooked very quickly. and because it's like a stir fry warm salad, don't want to have the white cabbage cooked completely until it's wilted, and that's it. My Sambharo is ready. All those lovely flavors are getting released, and now one thing that is a must is some fresh lemon juice. Now I like to add the lime juice because I want all the flavors to be balanced, because this is what this is going to help us with, yet I do not want that very sharp taste of the lemon, so lime is good, and this goes in there. Let's mix it all together, and it is ready for plating. Just to mention that if you're going to serve the Sambharo later on, do not cover it while it still is warm, because otherwise the cabbage will go wilty, and you want to keep all that crunch. It's releasing all those lovely aromas and flavors, and it's looking very inviting. It will go nicely with some gathiya, and then you have plenty of sweet jalebis on the side, and that is yummy, hot and khatta mitha taste to it, and there's that heat of the chili as well. I hope you do give it a go, and I'm sure that you will absolutely love it. So thank you for being with us. Until next time, God bless you all, take care, and bye-bye for now.